Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2016, on a 16-plate Toyota Aygo X-Cite. This is the 1-litre petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Cyan splash metallic with the black roof, black mirror caps and black alloy wheels, and it's covered just 20,000 miles. So I have a good walk round of this fantastic looking little newer shape Aygo. What a lovely colour combination, proper standout car this one. March 2016 registered, just 20,000 miles, just arrived in part exchange with us from a couple who've owned the car since 2022. They've just purchased an Abarth, a bright yellow one which you may have seen in stock, and this is their part exchange, and a lovely example it is. March 2016, 20,000 miles, full service history, 7 stamps in the book, so properly well maintained right the way through its life. Really well looked after. It's a free road tax model, so there is no road tax at all to pay. It's in a nice low insurance group, Group 7, and should be capable well in excess of 50 miles to the gallon, so extremely economical. Perfect first time car. You got those lovely black 15-inch alloy wheels with the blue centre caps. Just looks a real eyeful of a car. Privacy glass at the back. Really nice specification on these X-Cite models as well. So nice cloth interior with the contrast in colour. Remote central locking. It comes supplied with 2 keys. Door cards are all in good shape. Electric front windows. It's got the colour-coded Aygo car mats, electronically adjustable door mirrors, steering wheel's in lovely condition. You've got controls for your Bluetooth, you've got your radio controls, you've got your cruise control down below, manual handbrake, cup holder at the back, 5-speed manual gearbox with that nice chrome top to it. Down below we've got a couple of cup holders, 12-volt socket, USB with auxiliary. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks, locking wheel nut key, and then up above I will start the car up. 3-cylinder petrol engine with a timing chain, one of the most reliable engines ever made, I would say. Extraordinarily reliable, like a little washing machine really. Very sewing machine, not washing machine. Washing machines break down. But like a sewing machine, shall we say. But there's the mileage, 20,276. Air conditioning, and then up above you've got this really nice touchscreen infotainment system. So you've got Bluetooth for your telephone, you've got DAB digital radio, and if I put the car into reverse, nice big reversing camera at the back as well. Nice black and blue contrast in interior. Very nice place to be. Obviously this is the 5-door model, so you've got that extra bit of practicality. Again, it's got the carpet mats in the back, pop-out rear windows, 2 headrests, 2 seat belts with the ISOFIX, so it's a 4-seater car. And then obviously you've got that big glass window at the back, split folding rear seats, and then obviously not the biggest boot space in the world, but still perfectly usable. It's quite deep, so it does go down a long way. And then underneath you've got your inflation kit and all your bits and bobs. So there we have it, March 2016 Toyota Aygo X-Cite, 20,000 miles, free road tax, excellent service history. Ticks all the boxes really as a first time car or a commuter tool or daily run around, and obviously in this colour combination really looks the part as well. Finance is available. There is a calculator on our website where you can play with the figures, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory, free MOT. You will also be servicing the car and 2 keys plus our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, which is sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, please do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Cracking looking little car, lovely low mileage, very economical running costs, and a nice specification too. I think this is going to be snapped up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.